Okay. So, in this one, meron tayong ginawang way. This is to apply apply a false coloring, tinatawag. If we want to make our grayscale image to actually appear in a color, okay, we need a color map, right? So, herein, kaya in this or with this method, okay, it maps the grayscale, okay, or it intensifies yung different color. So if we will to run this one, okay, hindi niya naman talaga ibabalik sa kulay niya yan, but it will just intensify some color lines, mga ganyan, or within the color map natin. So, yan. Yan yung magiging itsura ng ating converted image. Again, sabihin natin, ito pa rin naman yung converted image natin. Okay? It's just that, ayun nga, in-intensify lang yung mga colors niya na yung mga medyo solid na naka-gray dito sa part ng inyong image. Okay? But if to make it na gaya nung original image, medyo may hirapan tayo doon. Okay? So, kailangan kasi talaga natin i-check yung mga color maps. Okay? So, yun. Close ko lang to. So, going back to our presentation, kaya kanina yung different na color space conversions. Yan. So, meron din tayong mga for conversions for HSB. So, you may want to go around or try with these different conversion codes. Yan. Sige, your or this color or the Y CRB is a CRCB is a color space that will separate image luminance, yung brightness, from the chrominance or the color information, which is widely used in video compression. Okay. What are the components of your YCRB? The Y, which stands for, or which represents the luminance or the brightness. Okay. The CR or the chrominance, yung red, okay, represents yung red color difference. The CB, the chrominance blue, okay, which represents the blue color difference. Now, why CRCB? It separates brightness from colors CR and CB, which allows a better compression and image processing. Okay, since we can so siguro with your HCI, we all know that the human eye is more sensitive to brightness than color. So if we are to convert, so let's try to run this or try to run a program. So paano yan? Meron tayong dito, example image natin. Okay, so yan. So meron tayo sample image ang i-load natin. JPEG. Okay. Then YCRCB. CB IMG is equals to CB2 dot CBT color IMG CB2 dot color underscore BGR2 CY or sorry YCRCB. Okay? Then we'll just split the colors. So Y CR then CB is equals to CB2 dot split. Okay? YCRCB underscore IMG, which is ito yung ini-split kasi natin yung kanyang color. Now, let's check CV2.im show yung Y channel niya muna. Let's check the Y channel. Y. Okay? So, let's save. Run natin. CB2 has no attribute color, BGR to YCRCB. CB2 that color B wait no. Save F5 again. Color BGR, sorry, BGR, save F5. Okay, so the grayscale, kasi ito yung Y or yung Y luminance niya. Okay, so check natin yung copy natin ito for the CRCB. Okay, the chrominance red and the chrominance blue. Okay, CRCB. Okay, save F5. Okay, so you have the Y, the grayscale. Ito yung kanyang chrominance red and yung chrominance blue. Check natin kung ano yung original ba na image. Okay. So, ito yung the Y is yung kanyang tawag dito, yung uh, Y represents yung brightness or the grayscale. So, ito yun. Now, the CR represents red color difference. So, check natin yung original image. So, ito yung mga portions ng mga more on the chrominance red. And ito yung sa chrominance blue. Okay? So, based sa pagkabasa niya, this represents yung blue color differences. Okay? So, yun yung YCRCB natin. Now, meron din tayong for LAB na colors na tinatawag. Okay? The lab color space is a perceptually uniform color model which separates the image's lightness from its color component, which is the A and B. Okay? This is widely used in color correction, image enhancement, and um, color-based segmentation. What are now the... So let us check kung ano ba talaga tong components ng lab. L is the lightness, which represents brightness, which is 0 ang black, 100 ang uh, white. Okay? Yan. Then A is green to red chrominance, which represents a color from green, a negative A, to a red na positive A. Okay? The B, okay, which is a blue to yellow chrominance, it represents the color from blue, which from blue to yellow, which is negative B to a yellow na positive B. Now, why do we use LAB or the love color space? These are closely, or it matches the human vision. Okay, meaning this is almost equal to a color changes, or color changes in lab. They appear equally noticeable with a human vision. Okay, so pwede natin i-convert yung kanina, yung ating BGR to YCRCB. So lagyan natin dito BGR to LAB. Okay, then lagyan natin dito LAB. Uh, LAB. Then, ito na lang, YCRCB lang na image natin. Lagay lang natin dito, DL, A, then B. Yung ating Y channel ay L channel, the A channel, and the B channel. Save F5. Okay. This is the L channel, the A channel, and you have your B channel. Okay? Now, what are the common applications of LAB? Okay, it is for, again, for color correction, ano pa, which adjusting L separately, which enhance brightness without affecting colors, using photo editing tools like Photoshop, color-based segmentation, so yung mga yan. Now, when to use and their advantages. So, color space RGB, HSB, YCRCB, and LAB. Okay. Main use, general image representation, when you are doing color detection, video compression, yung mga yan. So, these are the main use and advantages of each color spaces. Okay. Now, next, we have here the Matplotlib. These are used for data visualization. It allows users to create various types of plots such as line or line charts, bar graphs, histograms, and images. Your Matplotlib's or Matplotlib's PyPlot module can be used to display, manipulate, and analyze images. Now, to install yung ating Matplotlib, again, ganoon din, PIP install, kaya lang Matplotlib. Okay? So, yan. Now, Matplotlib versus the OpenCV for image display. So, what are the features for a color format? The Matplotlib uses the RGB. The OpenCV uses the BGR, right? The display behavior, it works inside the Jupyter Notebook and GUI apps, while your OpenCV opens in a separate window. Additional features, it supports titles, labels, overlays, grids, and subplots. So, yan. Sige. Check tayo ng image natin. So, gawa tayo ng Matplotlib. So, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Then import CV2. Then img is equals to cv2.imread. Again, anong sample image natin? Ito yung sample cv2.imread. Then you have your sample image.jpg. You have your img underscore rgb is equals to cv2 dot cvt color img cv2 dot color ano kasi yung color nito kanina? Ayan. BGR pala ito kanina. Color underscore BGR pala ito. Then to RGB. Okay? Then you have your plot.im show img ito yung ating RGB. Okay? Then you have your PLT dot will identify the title. Okay? Ang title na ilalagay natin mamaya will be my new image. Okay? Then we'll identify yung X label. Okay? So plt.x label will have it as width. Then plt.y label we have it as height. Then plt.show save file. Person fail. PLT. Then sample image has no attribute X. Label. Sorry. Label. X, Y label. Okay, save. Okay. Aba, ito na. Okay. So, yan. So makikita nyo, meron tayong range. Siguro ito yung by uh, pixels natin. So if kanina, kung check natin yung 50 pixels natin kanina, dun sa una, 50, 50, 200. Makikita nyo, 50, somewhere dito. So, heto yung portion na yon, di ba? Heto pala, pabalik na rin natin. So, 50. Okay, tapos 50 rin tayo dito. Then, 200. Cut niya yung ulo doon. Then, somewhere dito, 200. Kasi yung babalik ka rin niya yan, 200. Ito, 200. So, kung heto, makukuha niya yan. So, heto. Kaya nakuha natin to kaninang portion na ito ng inyong 50, 200, 200 kanina na portion. Okay? So, yan po si Matplotlib. May ganito tayo. Okay. Okay. Halimbawa, we want to display multiple image dito. Okay? So, maglagay tayo dito. Siguro ito, let's name this as image 1. And we have our another image which is image 2. Ang pangalan, ang gawin natin dito will be ito siguro converted image. Converted underscore image. Then, CVT colon. Ito yung IMG1 natin, which is CVT. Image 1 natin, BGR to RGB. Copy ko lang din, copy, paste. I'll do it in image 2, then IMG2. Then we'll make use of the figure function, plt.figure figure function, okay, with the parameter fig size is equals to 10, 5, okay, which we will create ito subplots natin, we'll create subplots, so 10, 5. Then for the plt that subplot, okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay. So, ano tong 1 to 1 na yan? This is the row. Okay. This is the column where this image will be placed and the index. Okay. Sige, check natin na mamaya. Try ko lang. Then, IM show. Lagay na lang natin dito. Image 1. Image 1. Then, title niya, first image. Okay? Alisin na natin yung, off natin yung kanyang axis. Okay? Pag axis off, alisin natin yung X and Y axis niya. Okay? Copy ko lang ito for the image 2. So, this should be 1, 2, 2. Check muna natin. Image 2, second. Save, F5. Okay. Ayan. So, we have your one row. Okay? One row lang yan. Then, you have two columns. First column, second column. Then, the first index, second index natin. So, try lang natin ito na two columns, ay two rows, two columns. Para lumiit na. Ayan. So, meaning, pwede tayong maglagay dito ng third image and our fourth image. So, check lang natin. Second image, second column. Lagyan natin dito our fourth image. So, save, F5. Wait lang. Mali ako. So, second image. 2, 2, 2. So, second, apply na two rows. Wait lang. So, we are establishing kasi meron tayong two na rows. The second column, ayun. Okay. Ano yung nagiging error ko kanina? So, 222, save F5. So, ito yung nagiging error ko. Kumbaga pinapatungan niya. Pumapatong tong fourth image na to. Because ito nga yung last or latest na may subplot nito or nagmamayari ng subplot na yan. Okay, so lagyan natin 3. And if we want the fourth image, ano lalagyan natin? This should be 4, di ba? Should be the fourth and our third image. So F5. Ayan. So we have your first image, the second image, third, and the fourth image. Okay? So, good. Now, Pillow versus OpenCV versus Matplotlib. Here are the features. Speed, slow for the OpenCV, very fast, and Matplotlib is moderate. Color format, both Pillow and Matplotlib follows the RGB, while the OpenCV is the BGR. Image editing, medyo advanced for OpenCV. So makikita niyo naman yung mga key features that we have discussed, as well as for filtering. For video support, OpenCV support a video editing or for video support. OpenCV ay meron yan. Plotting and graphs, both Pillow and OpenCV ay wala, but for graphs, if you'll be dealing with graphs or charts, please make use of Matplotlib. So, kindly try. I'll be attaching as well the PDF. So, for you to try our, ito, yung mga programs na to. Okay? So, thank you.